our biggest coffee farmers, and he knows a lot about coffee. I wish he can.
It's going to bolster the opportunities of many.
And all invited delegates, Bwana asifiwe. The black of Meru Parliamentary Group.
Malizana hapa, within 2 weeks the laws should be ready. Nao bunge, Mutunga na wengine musukume. Mupitishe haraka iende kama risasi. Then mutupatie tufanye implementation. And I want to confirm, for avoidance of doubt, if there is an administration that will sort out the coffee sub-sector, it is the Ruto administration that I deputize. And I can tell you, we have total commitment.
You by meeting the outstanding debts so that we can up that mill fully in the hands of the farmers.
This forum will come up with a solution that will guide the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock in doing what it's supposed to do to ensure that our coffee farmers are able to get good money for their coffee.
I'll be looking for you to assist us to operationalize commodity exchange so that the commodity exchange will be the first parallel coffee auction that we are going to have. So that at least we can compare. Mtu achague, do you want to be in that exchange or this other exchange?